Step number 5, you've got to build a strong company culture. Your business has to have a unique identity, and that's usually driven through the organization by the CEO. You've got to set up the company in a way that matches the drive, the energy, the environment, okay, that the CEO brings to the table. And then when you master that, you're going to attract great people that are on the same wavelength, want to go to the same destination, have big audacious goals, that want to grow, and they want to support you to win. You can't be a business that's entrepreneurial, that has big ambition, that, has a lot of change as it scales, and go and attract people that don't want to work in a business that is changing all the time because they like systems, processes, procedures. And that's the ultimate goal. But, there are some people that hate change. I say to everybody that joins our organization at a junior or a senior level, if you don't like change, if you can't keep up with a fast-paced environment, if entrepreneurial growth turns you off, then even if you're qualified for this job, don't even carry on the interview process because you're gonna hate it. And vice versa. If I was a boring, corporate business that had been established for 100 years, and I had some high energy, unconventional, entrepreneurial individuals that don't fit that environment, I'd be saying, you're not going to be right here. It's too boring for you. So you've got to make a culture that fits with how you want your business to be. I decide my culture, you've got to decide your culture. And when you lock in on it, you can attract great people, yeah? But you've got to get people on your wavelength, and that means by spending time with your people, getting them to see how you think. Invest in those guys to get the training so they can have the skills necessary to think big. Because thinking big is one thing, having the skills to execute on big goals is another. We can all have big dreams, but if we can't take the right actions and have got the right skill set to execute on the actions, those dreams will always be dreams. They will never become a reality. So you've got to invest in your people. You've got to get them same wavelength as the organization. You understand your vision, you understand your mission, you know where you've got to get to, so don't give up.